is arriving at port, and Xiamen Port is the biggest port here in China, in southern part of China. And so I'm going to show you around this yacht. See, this is our yacht, very big. All the shipping companies arriving, is putting the container here, and people, you see the truck is coming back and forth. Now it's China time, 4 o'clock, so that's why not many trucks, but usually it's very busy every day. Do you see this container? Xiamen Port, you know? Okay. So this is our container is arriving here. Okay. I'm going to show you around the yacht here. See, this is the yacht. Okay, see this. See how busy people are loading the container. The guy are banking the container to coming in. Okay, see, this is our container here. Okay, so now I'm going to load my containers now. And remember, my company name is Aofei Stone. We sell natural marble, granite to all over the world. We have the best price and best quality. So we look forward to hear from you.